It is important to be familiar with the UMSL website. In the top left corner is the Current Students tab. From there, you can access your MyGateway student portal. MyGateway is your central portal for all UMSL student applications, including student email access, Canvas course management, MyView enrollment and payment center, MyDegree academic progress, MyConnect advising services, and MyDrive Google services, and much more. Your UMSL email is a primary communication tool between you and the university. You must activate your email address before or during orientation. Every student has a 10 gigabyte campus email account hosted through Microsoft's Office 365 service. Your username for Office 365 is based on your SSO. Your Office 365 password is the same as your SSO username, and changing one will automatically update the other. Make sure to keep track of your passwords and keep them secure. Canvas is the university's selected course management system. A tutorial of Canvas will be included in the technology section of orientation. MyView is the student center that contains important student service information. A tutorial of MyView will be included in the technology section of orientation. MyDegree, also referred to as DARS, Degree Audit Reports, is a comprehensive summary of a student's degree progress. MyDegree includes courses and requirements and ensures that students stay on track and not take unnecessary courses. A tutorial of MyDegree will be included in the advising section of orientation. MyConnect is UMSL's platform to centralize people and services. MyConnect allows you to schedule appointments with advisors and other support specialists. MyConnect can also help you manage the steps you need to stay on track and meet your goals. UMSL uses Google Drive for cloud storage. This is called MyDrive. MyDrive provides limited convenient storage space for documents that you use on many different computers, as well as for sharing and collaborative features. There are multiple ways to log into MyDrive. Access the MyDrive tile through your MyGateway portal, go to mydrive.umsl.edu, or log in directly through Google. Make sure to get familiar with MyGateway tiles through upcoming tutorials included in this orientation.